Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we'll be unboxing the latest release of the Newage power bank, which is the 80,000 heavy duty high capacity power bank, as stated on the video description. Without taking any much of your time, I'll make this video short and easy to understand. We'll talk about three things in this video. Firstly, the price of the power bank. Secondly, the features of this power bank. And thirdly, the capability of this power bank as stated by the brand. This power bank costs about 104,000 on the Newage website. With shipping inclusive, it's 107,300 naira. You can easily order it off their website, but note, they don't offer pay on delivery. You have to pay fully on the website and close your order before you can be able to get your power bank. Let's talk about the second part of the video, which is the features of this power bank. This power bank is a lithium polymer with battery capacity of 80,000 mAh. It has 3 USB outputs held as USB 1 to A3 and 2 USB output C, that means type C, labeled C1 to C2. Presence of fast charging is in USB C1 and C2 and USB A1 and A2. So the two type C or the two USB output C has like one input and two output features. You can charge in and also charge out. When we talk about the power bank itself, it comes with a very thick leather. I guess they got it from crocodile skin for easy carriage and portability. It also has a silicone cover to protect the port from dust or debris. It also has a silicone protector at the base of the power bank to prevent scratch, which aids balance the power bank on flat surfaces. It also has two buttons on the side of the power bank, one for the torchlight and the other to on the device or the power bank. So to on the torchlight, you just have to click the button once for direct light, then you can click again for the lantern and click again for SOS, that means emergency, then double click, switch off the lights. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So hit the notification bell to get notified when we post a new video. It also comes with a user manual that explains everything you need to know about the device and a Type-C to Type-C cord for also charging the device. So let's get into the last part of this video, which is the capability of this power bank as mentioned by the brand. The 180 watts power bank, which is distributed among the ports. The Type-C output 1 and 2 has 100 watts. The USB 1 and 2 output has 22.5 watts. The USB 3 has 10 watts, which sums it up to 130 watts output. It also comes with an 18-month warranty, which is 1 year and 6 months. That means if your power bank malfunctions within that period of time, always get it replaced. Thank you for sticking around till the last part of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and always hit the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. Bye.